welcome to my channel, Natural Raw Essence. I am here today. I am about to take out this Mickey Mouse hairstyle, or Minnie Mouse, and I'm not exactly sure what style I'm going to do today, but I'm just getting ready. It's still early morning, or mid-morning I should say, and I am working my way up to a vlog. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm considering doing my first vlog. That should be quite interesting because I have never done one before, but I am seriously thinking about doing one. So I'm not quite ready. I'm gonna jump in the shower and I will come back to style my hair. I'm looking forward to spring. So I'm really looking forward to better weather, and thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that button below. I am going to try to attempt this hairstyle. I'm not exactly sure. It's been twisted up like this. I had retwisted this and refreshed it not last night, but the night before. So it's really still moisturized, but I'm not exactly sure what I want to do something real simple and quick. So I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to keep it in the same parts. But we'll see what we can work out here. Ooh. It's quite wrapped up. Okay. So I'm looking like an Easter bunny. Okay. So I'm gonna untwist. And I am going to spray some of this dry shampoo by Dove because I'm loving the way it smells. I'm getting quite addicted to the smell. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really nice. I just got a purple bottle. This one is the pink. I'm not sure what the difference. The purple is volumizing, and this one, I'm not sure. It's refresh. Something about refreshing and revive. So they both have the same scent because I sprayed it in the store before I purchased it, and it smelled really good. So I'm just addicted to the scent. And so I'm just going to actually moisturize this now. Oh gosh, I have things a little bit in a different I have it set up a different way. Yes, I'm not awake just yet. As you can see, I was going to try to flat iron, but I'm tempted to flat iron, but I am not going to do it because I don't want that heat damage on my hair. I'll regret it, and you will hear some whining videos from me if I ever do damage my hair after this long episode of trying to get it healthy and strong. Okay, so I'm going to do the same. Don't want this side to be neglected, so gotta make sure you take care of both ends, both sides. Get those roots. Just just comb it through. I'm gonna try to brush it through too. With this style, I'm not gonna be keeping any curls, so it's okay if I'm combing it out. I'm just gonna do a quick pinup. So I have never really used this on my natural hair. I use this for my wigs or my, I just want to try it out. Maybe not. Ow. Maybe not. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it through and take this, brush it up, up. Look at that, I don't even need gel. I don't even need gel. And I am gonna twist this. Let me see. Keep twisting. And I'm wanting kind of like a, yeah, fold it under and pin it. Pin it like that. Get two bobby pins. Kind of loose. And then I'm going to do the same with this side. Twist it the opposite way. Kind of make it high. Ooh. You know what? When you twist it, make sure you brush it up. That's what I forgot to do. And then you want to start twisting it. This camera angle is a little awkward because I'm not sitting in a right chair. Now I folded it going this way, so you're gonna fold it. I'm really trying this out for the first time. So work with me, people. Spare me. Not exactly sure if this is how I want to keep it. I want the buns to be a little bit even, and this one looks a little higher, so I'm just gonna tuck it. Y'all, I'm not sure. This may be an in-house do today. I'm not sure what I think about this. I guess the part in the middle is throwing me off. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put a rubber band around it and just make it like a puff. I think that would look a little bit cuter. Still has that Mickey Mouse look that I had, but a little bit more puffy. So that's what it looks like. And then as far as the back, ooh. I got some work to do. Okay, I'm gonna spray that. Oh Lord. This is a piece of work. I'm gonna do a low bun with this. So I'm gonna just grease it, moisturize it, and bring it down. Normally I do not usually oil or moisturize my hair in a big chunk like this. I do it in sections to make sure each section is moisturized. But I'm basically tonight probably gonna I may roll my hair tonight, so I'm not sure. I want to do a video doing another roller set, but it's gonna probably be, if it's not today, it's gonna be sometime this week. So I am gonna hopefully try to comb this out. Ooh. It is. See, this is another reason I've been sleeping with it in the style and just wrapping it at night with my bonnet, and I notice my hair can't do that. It's not, it's more dried out the next couple of days. My hair needs to be moisturized every single day, for real, and it dries it out when I leave it in a style for too long, like a few days. Like if I don't maintain it and twist it back up at the same night, I'm usually in trouble. So I like to really section my hair off each night, like when I have a style, and redo it every morning. So first I end up with like a lot of these type single strand knots. And who wants that? Okay, so, and see, it's a lot of this is just dry hair. So I am going to brush this down. And do a quick ponytail. I'm going to keep it in the same type of style, and then just make a little puff bun in the back. I can't see what I'm doing. So there you go. And then I'm just going to brush that a little bit. And just a simple style, simple look. So I don't know, every time I see this style, I love this space ball style, space bun, what am I talking about, space bun style. But every time I see it, I think of Mickey Mouse. I think it's a really cute, simple look, and it has a cuteness to it that I like. So, and I'm just gonna pop on some lipstick, something neutral, nothing fancy. Don't have any lip liner right now. There you go.